Welcome to my YouTube channel HTN Maths Academy. Today we will solve a difficult problem that most students get wrong. We will learn the correct way to solve this problem. By first way, the most student this question solved by wrong way. So 8 divide 8 equal to 1. Divide 8 divide 8 equal to 1. So 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. But this is wrong. By correct way, use PEMDAS rule from left to right. Left to right. So 8 divided by 8 equal to 1. Divide 8 divide 8. 1 divide 8 can be written in the form of 1 over 8 divide 8. So 1 over 8 divide by 8. 1 over 8 divide, convert and multiply, and 8 convert and 1 over 8. 1 is 1. 8 8s are 64. This is the correct answer and correct way. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.